Hey guys, how are you? It's been a hot minute since I've done a grocery haul, so I thought today, since I had the opportunity, I would. I actually went to two different stores, but everything is on the counters together. I went to Walmart and to H-E-B. Hi, Shelby. Hi, how are you? Are you glad you have groceries in the house? And Shelby has yum-yums to eat. I got a 6-pack of Diet Sunkist, a big thing of disinfecting wipes. That is to help clean the kitchen and bathrooms. I'm still not able to really use my right hand very well, and I surely don't want to use a cleaner because, yeah. So that will at least help me keep the kitchen clean. I have some Clorox ones, but I'm almost out. So we're going to give those a try because when you get twice the amount for the same price, it's awesome. I have some honey lemon ginseng tea. That is my husband's favorite tea. Some Great Value blonde medium roast coffee K-cups. I actually like those. So I was running low. It was time to refill. Some Fresh Step cat litter. Some Downy toilet paper, dog food. Oh, the cat food is here somewhere too, but that's that. I'm gonna have to replace the air filter. So picked one of those up. 2 gallons of water, butter, 3 gallons of Red Diamond tea. Last week, Walmart was out and they subbed Milo's tea. The boys drank it, but it's not their favorite, so they'll be happy to have that back. 1 gallon of milk. We're not going through as much, even though we're eating more cereal, but I don't know. Sour cream. Some corn chips to go with taco soup this week. Lettuce. Some more pork cutlets. These are cube steaks and the pork. There's 4 to a pack, but I do 2 because the boys really enjoy this, and it's tasty. Those make great sandwiches, by the way, but I'm not serving them that way. A thing of chicken thighs. As far as me, oh, I'm missing a ground beef too. Darn it. Oh well. I did leave the store without a roast and some ground beef. I called about the roast, forgot about the ground beef until just now. Anyway, not a big deal. I will defrost the one I have. Oh, you know what? I think I'll do sausage in his soup this time. I got some waffle cut fries and these Southern style breaded chicken fillets. Those are from H-E-B. A friend of mine told me they taste just like Chick-fil-A, so the boys and I are going to try those out for dinner tonight. Green beans, some frozen mixed vegetables, some frozen corn, these frozen sauced potatoes and green beans. They look delicious. I think, what else is in there? Roasted red potatoes with green beans and a rosemary buttery sauce. So it just sounded delicious with one of the meals that I'm making. I have 2 chicken gravy packets, and then I have 2 taco seasonings. 3 of the Land O'Lakes chocolate classics and the chocolate supreme. They are delicious. That is the best cocoa, but it's very hard to find. I'm fixing to have to go on Amazon to get it. A pound of strawberries, some fresh celery, some diced tomatoes. You guys, I'm trying not to show you my gross little hand. Woo! Sorry about that. 2 things of kidney beans are here. This is some whipped cream cheese frosting. Yes, I can make my own. I'm taking an easy way out. I'm going to make some pumpkin bars this week, and this is what I like to put on top. I have some M&Ms in the Ghouls mix, as well as brown sugar. I am making chocolate chip chippies with the M&Ms in there this week as well. Chicken broth, 2 things of stuffing, some home-style mashed potatoes, Lipton onion soup mix, but of course H-E-B brand, some 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, Southern style chicken biscuits. That is just a quick breakfast for the boys. That box it's one breakfast for them because they each eat 2. I picked up some just Walmart brand of Rice Krispies because I'm going to make some Rice Krispie treats today. I already had the marshmallows. I just need the cereal. H-E-B had they had cereal on sale, and so I got some Golden Grahams and some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I picked up this minestrone soup mix. That is one of my husband's favorite quick soups. He found that when he was working out of town and having to cook for himself. I usually add sausage or ground beef to that, and then we add tomatoes and a lot of the frozen mixed vegetables, and it's delicious. So he's getting that today because he's still working nights. A watermelon, cantaloupe, some tomatoes, a red onion, some bananas, which are very green. This bacon Caesar kit, salad kit from Walmart. It is delicious. I'm having that this week with dinner. I picked up these brioche buns from Walmart as well. We're going to use those for our Chick-fil-A knockoff sandwiches tonight, and a loaf of honey wheat bread. And that is it. This week I will run back to the store to pick up the roast. I did call H-E-B and Makes It Good for me. They refunded the roast part, so that's nice. So it's not like I'm out any money. And I will be off work at least another couple days for sure, until these blisters dry up, because nobody wants these cooties and I don't want to give them. And yeah. All right. Oh, yep. That's it, guys. That is it. Let me show you our menu plan. Ignore the atrocious handwriting. So this is from today, which is Sunday, September 29th through October 4th. So today we are having Chick-fil-A copycat sandwiches and waffle fries. Tomorrow I'm doing chicken and gravy with stuffing, green beans, and I might make either biscuits or rolls with that. Tuesday is taco soup. Wednesday is river ranch roast, mashed potatoes, corn on the cob, roasted carrots, and I might make some Amish white bread. I have not made that in a long time. A lot of it will depend if I can use both hands or not. Thursday is pork cutlets with macaroni and cheese and bacon Caesar salad and cornbread. And Friday is football, so I have nothing planned for dinner. And Saturday is cheeseburgers and french fries on the grill. So, except for the fries, they'll go in the air fryer. But that is all of the groceries for this week. I spent right under $200. I'll put the exact total in the description box below. But now I feel like we have food in the house for the week, and I don't have to worry about stopping at a store after work when I go back to work. I'm really finding that I love having picking up the groceries on the weekend again. I guess I will fluctuate back and forth. It depends on what's going on at that time. But with it being football season, it is just time to definitely make the most of the time that I have at home. Whether it be cleaning, walking on the treadmill, or playing with that little girl. Shelby girl, hi. You's a sweet girl. You taking a night-night? Huh? I'll put all the groceries away and then we'll play, okay? Sweet thing. Alright, guys. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.